Okay, so the next step, we're gonna have to put this in, but they give you a little plastic bag, and then see, here's the little screw, and see it's got this little washer, it's a little guard, and it's square, okay? It's got different ridges on it, and you just take this and you pop it in there, okay, like that, and you just tighten it up, and then see, you can look on the side, right there, and you just look and see when the metal thing starts getting close. See, I can see it now, right in there, and then when I slip it on, it's going to go right in there. So, okay, so, and it's funny, these only have an area for slots on one side. There's no slots on the other side. Okay, at least I don't think there is. Yeah, well, you know what, there might be slots there, but I'm looking at this, and I'm looking at the wording is right side up, and it says load. It says load at the top left, and yeah, I think you can flip it either way, and yeah, that's how the other one is too, okay? But I know this is facing up because there's a little groove in there, and then you take the little handle, and the handle's only going to fit one way. See that little slot in there? Make sure you put it on properly. And it's going to go like that, and it's going to turn to the right, okay, from there. So I know this is facing up, so you know, I'm pretty much ready. And I looked at it, I already confirmed the writing is up, and it says load. It says load at the top left, right there, line at the bottom, and that's how the other one was. You remember? If you have a question about that, you can run the video back for that, okay? So now, all I have to do, I got the tabs broken off, because see, if I left those tabs on, can you see how that would have stuck out? I should have held that up there with the tab on, and you would have seen that it would have stuck over the edge of this indentation, okay? So the next step is we're just going to attach it to these screws again. Easy peasy. Well, that's it for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.